We launched just a couple months ago our first generative AI module. There's a process within the hospital. Part of the process is that we support of what's called an initial review. So when you are admitted to the hospital, there is a clinician that writes an initial review of your case. And that initial review is oftentimes the first communication to the insurance company that you as a patient are in the hospital. And so these highly experienced clinicians have to spend the time to write that initial review and submit that to an insurance company. Well, we launched a generative AI module for initial review a couple months ago in order to help streamline that process. Because again, every patient in the hospital has to have that written. So the generative AI module actually takes in that medical record and writes the first draft of that initial review. Now, at Exelis, we're big believers in keeping a human in the loop. Okay, so this is not something that's being automatically generated and submitted. It is being generated, and then that clinician is now able to really serve more the role of an editor in terms of being able to review that information and then either add to it, maybe tweak it or change it a little bit, and then send that on to the insurance company.